Good morning, one and all. My name is Sachi. Okay, I will teach you the social studies. Okay, today I will say the introduction of. I will say the topics of paper one. Okay, I will say the topics of paper one. For example, in paper one, the first lesson is going to be the our earth. Second lesson, the natural limbs of earth. Third lesson, hydrosphere. Fourth lesson, atmosphere. Fifth lesson, stratosphere. Okay, coming to the next one, sixth lesson. Okay, sixth lesson, agriculture in India. Okay, and the seventh lesson, industries in India. And eighth lesson, service activities in India. Okay, and ninth lesson, credit in financial activities. And 10th lesson, prices and cost of living. And the last lesson, okay, the government budget and taxation. Okay, the government budget and taxation. This is for paper 1. Okay, this 11 topics. Okay, this 11 topics comes under the paper 1. Okay, this 11 topics. Okay, when I continue the paper 2, I will say the lessons of the paper 2. Okay, man was worked very hard. He learned from the surroundings. He worked very hard for better life from the 1 lakh years ago. You know about the early man we have studied in the earlier classes. Not as early man, they are our ancestors. Okay, they lived. Where they lived? They lived under the caves. Okay, they have a nomadic life. Nomadic life. What do you mean nomadic life? Okay, going from one place to another place is called nomadic. Okay, it's a nomadic life, caves. They are the hunter gatherers. Hunter gatherers. Okay, what do you mean by hunter gatherers? They hunting the animals and eating. Okay, the early men are lived in the cave. They have a nomadic life. They are the hunter gatherers. Okay, you know about this one. But now we are living not on the caves. We are living in the big buildings. We are living in big buildings. They are the skyscrapers. We are living in skyscraper towers, big towers. And now we are enjoying the life and living sedentary. What is the meaning of sedentary? Staying in one place is called sedentary. Now we are producing the food. Now We are producing the food by having the agriculture. Okay, we are the food producer. We are the food producer. How the changes take place? How the man earlier came from the caves and now live in the big buildings? They have in earlier we have the nomadic life. Now we have the sedentary life. We are the hunter-gatherer. They are the hunter-gatherers, but we are the food producers. This life total. When the fire was created, when the fire and agriculture was created, a lot of changes take place in a limited period. Okay, you have to know about it. Okay, now coming to the first lesson. Okay, our earth. Already you have some knowledge about the earth. You have studied in the 6th class, 7th class, and 8th class. Okay, you know earth is a blue planet. Why they is called blue planet? Because the water level in our earth is more. How much? We have 71% of the water and 29% of the land. That is why earth is called the blue planet. Okay, here in this lesson, we will discuss some of the theories. Okay, what do you mean by geocentric theory, heliocentric theory, what do you mean by environmental crisis, how the earth will be destroyed, okay, in how much years ago the human beings are evolved, okay, and about the universe, about the galaxies, about the stars, about the solar system. The total comes in this lesson. Coming to the topic, I will give the introduction. About the earth. You know, not only human beings are living in the earth, okay, plants, animals, microorganisms, all living takes place in our earth. Okay, some millions of years ago, the earth was created, but our human beings are evolved 1 lakh years ago. Our human beings are evolved 1 lakh years ago. Okay, human beings are evolved 1 lakh years ago. Okay, you have to know about this one. Come to the topic earth. It is nothing but it is a word came from the Greek. It is a word coming from the Greek word. The meaning of the earth, land, the soil, the layer of soil, Okay, the word earth is coming from the Greek word. What is the earth is calling Greek word? Earthy. Greek word earthy. Okay. The meaning of the earth is called land, the layer of the soil. But in our Indian terminology, we will say earth as a Bhumi, Prithvi, Avani, Dharani, etc. Okay? This is about the introduction of the earth. Nothing but earth is nothing but the Greek word came the word from the earthy, E-O-R-T-H-E. Okay, the meaning of the earth is the land, the layer of the soil. Okay, in our Indian terminology, in Sanskrit, these are all words are came from the Sanskrit. Bhumi, Prithvi, Avani, Dharani, etc. This is about the introduction of the earth. You have to know. Okay, man has developed a lot. Man was sending machines to the Mars. You know about our India. India sent the Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2. Okay, you have to know about this one. And at last, this is about the one part of the coin. We are seeing about the one part of the coin. This total development. This total development, we have facing lot of problems. For example, we are destroying our surroundings. Especially we are destroying our water. We are destroying our forest. Okay, we are destroying our air. Poisoning. We are poisoning our water, forest, air. How we are poisoning for water? As you know already, India is the hub of industries. Large of industries are there in our area. From that, the chemicals are released towards the rivers. The water will be destroyed. And forest, you know about forest. Okay, we are cutting the forest. Okay, we are cutting the lot of forest and building the and buildings. We are planning to build the buildings. Okay, that is why we are destroying the more and more forest. And we are destroying the air also. How the we are destroying the air? Yes, you know, from everyone they want the vehicle. After the completion of 10th also, the students are crying, I want the vehicle, I want bike. For the total, the vehicles are increasing in our country, not only in our country, all over the world. That is why the releasing gas from the vehicles, chlorofluorocarbon, CFC, you can say CFC, chlorofluorocarbons. Again, we are using the AC, we are using the refrigerators. From these vehicles, refrigerators, AC, the chlorofluorocarbons is emitted out. That gas will destroy. A lot of destroy will take place. Chlorofluorocarbon is nothing but methane. You know already. Okay, scientists are saying that the level of the oceans are increasing day by day. We cannot find which is the summer season, which is the rainy season, which is the winter season. The temperature is going away. In rainy season, there is a lot of heat. In winter season, there is a heat. We can find out the weather in climate in single day. We can find out the rainy season, winter season, summer season. We cannot say in which time the rain will occurs, in which time the sunlight will occurs. Total temperature changing place. Okay, this all we are polluting the water. We are wasting the we are cutting the forest. We are polluting the air. This all comes under the environmental crisis. Environmental crisis. Okay, this all comes under the environmental crisis. Coming to the next topic. Okay, hope all you understood. Coming to the next topic about global warming. Very important. In 10th class also it is very important. They will ask like bit. Okay, global warming. What mean by global warming? Warming, heat, hot. The globe is becoming the hot. Okay? Global warming is nothing but increase of average temperature is called global warming. Increasing of the average temperature is called global warming. Just now only I told how the temperature is increasing because cutting the forest, everything. We are damaging our surroundings. The nature is trying to destroy us at present. Okay, this is about the global warming. And scientists are saying that due to the increasing of this temperature, the ice in the Arctic and Antarctic, okay, is melting. The ice is melting and submerged in the oceans. Then the level of the oceans will be increasing. That is why the near to the islands are submerging in the oceans. The land part will be decreasing, the water part will be increasing. You have to know. You know already Indra Point is submerged in 2004. Where is the Indra Point? India South in the Andaman and Nicobar. we have the Indira Point. Indira Point is submerged in 2004. Coming to the next topic. About the our universe and sun, about the sun and earth. You know about the universe. What will come about the universe? The total solar system, asteroids, comets, everything, galaxies comes under the universe. Universe is nothing but the totality of matter, energy, including the solar system. We have the total solar system, and we have the galaxies, millions of galaxies we have. Our Earth is in the Milky Way galaxy. Very, very, very important. Our Earth is in the Milky Way galaxy. Okay, and you know about the solar system. Okay, before 2006 we have the 9 planets. In 2006 the scientist told that Pluto is a disappeared planet. It is called, then Pluto is called dwarf planet. Now we have only 8 planets. Okay, you have to know about this. In which year the Pluto was taken out? The Pluto was taken out in 2006. You have to know. Okay, this is about our universe. Next, coming to about the observation. Okay, from thousands of years, the human beings are seeing toward the sky, towards the stars, sun, moon, in which light they will shine. Okay, they're seeing thousands of years. Then at last they pointed out that Earth is a stationary, firm and stationary. Okay, Earth is firm and stationary. All the planets are revolving around the Earth. They told that Earth is in the middle of the solar system. All the planets, including the satellites, revolving around the Earth. Okay, this is called geocentric theory. Very important theories. I told you. Geocentric theory. Geo is nothing but Earth. Centric means center. Earth-centered theory. They will ask the question, what is meant by geocentric theory? This is about the geocentric theory. Who proposed geocentric theory? Ptolemy. Okay, Ptolemy proposed geocentric theory. He was a Greek Roman astronomer. Okay, Ptolemy pointed out the geocentric theory. Geocentric theory is nothing but Earth is in the center of the solar system. All the planets, including the satellites, revolving around the Earth is called geocentric theory. For 500 years, the peoples kept faith on geocentric theory. After the 500 years, then the human beings came with a new idea. No, Earth is not in the stationary. It is not in the middle of the solar system. This is a wrong theory. Okay. The next theory was proposed by Copernicus. The theory name is heliocentric theory. Heliocentric theory. Helio is nothing but sun. Sun-centered theory. Who proposed the sun-centered theory? Copernicus. Okay, Copernicus proposed the sun-centered theory. Okay, here Copernicus was pointed out that no, it is not in the middle of the solar system. Sun is in the middle of the solar system. All the planets, including the satellites, revolves around the sun. It is called heliocentric theory. What is the another name of heliocentric theory? Sun-centered theory, proposed by the Copernicus. No, he was pointed out. Just he pointed out that much only. Okay, he was from Poland. Poland you can say Polish. He was from Polish astronomer. Okay, he pointed out after some years after Galileo. Okay, Galileo used the telescope and pointed out that whatever theory, heliocentric theory was proposed by Copernicus is right. That is the truth. Is a geocentric theory is a wrong theory and heliocentric theory is a right theory told by the Galileo. Okay, heliocentric theory pointed out by Copernicus, proved by the Galileo. Okay, about the very important geocentric and heliocentric theory. Coming to the next topic, Big Bang. Okay, Big Bang. Big Bang. What do you mean bang? Collision. Scientists believed that there is a big collision. A large explosion takes place. After the explosion, the universe are created. The universe are created 13.7 billion years ago. Okay, due to about the Big Bang, a large explosion takes place and the universe was created before 13.7 billion. You know about 1 billion equal to 10 to the power of 9, 100 crores, 1,30,000. Okay, years ago, big universe was created. About the universe, and I will say about the galaxies. I told at starting of the lesson, we have millions of galaxies. Okay, what are galaxies? Large group of stars. Group of stars is called galaxies. Group of stars is called galaxies. We have millions of galaxies. Our Earth is in the Milky Way galaxies. From the galaxies, stars were formed. Okay, you have to know about this one. This is about the galaxies. I told you about the Big Bang. Large explosion was take place. Okay, before 13.7 billion years ago. Means 1,30,000 years ago or 1,300 crores years ago. Next, come to the next point. You know about the sun is also a star. You know, sun will give the light for us. All the planets are self-illuminous. They will not give the light. They will take the light. The sun, stars is a self-luminous. They will give the light for us. Okay, you have to know about this one. Next, come to the next topic. We have to learn about the solar system. Already I told about solar system. All the planets, along with the satellites, asteroids, comets, and minor planets, even the dust also, which we have in the solar system, comes under the solar system. All the planets, satellites, okay, asteroids, comets, even the dust also comes under the, and some of the minor planets also comes under the solar system. Okay, this is about the today topic. These are the keywords we discussed in the today class. About the first of all, we discussed about the human beings are evolved 1 lakh years ago, how they are developed, how they are used the surroundings, okay, how they are interacting with all the things, and the development we can see how they came from caves to the big buildings, how they came from nomadic life to sedentary life, how they are used. There is no technology in the early man, but now we have more and more technology. We are sending the machines to the other planets. Okay, and we are discussing about the environmental crisis, how we are destroying the air, water, and soil. Okay, we are discussing that is called the environmental crisis, and we discuss about the global warming, increasing of the average temperature is called global warming, and we discuss about the geocentric theory, earth-centered theory. Okay, who proposed this one? Ptolemy proposed this one. And we discussed about the heliocentric theory, sun-centered theory. Okay, who proposed this one? Who pointed out this one? Copernicus. Who proved that one? Galileo. It is very very important. And next we discuss about the universe, how the universe was created. There is a big bang, large explosion takes place, and the universe was created 13.7 billion years ago. Okay, and we discussed about the solar system, all the planets including the satellites, okay, and minor planets, asteroids, comets, all comes under the solar system. I told sun is a, okay, self-luminous body, and we discussed the galaxy, group of stars is called galaxy. There's a millions of galaxies. In that our Earth belongs to the Milky Way galaxies. Okay, this is about the today's class. Okay, if you have any doubt, comment on it. Thank you.